I have these thumb chucks, and I got them because I thought it was pretty cool when people can use them, but this is really hard to do, so I give up. Anyway, I took this one out of this one. This is a little box with a battery compartment. Let's see if I can open it again. There's a little light in here and a light switch and a few batteries. Looks like this. And then when you turn on here, it should be, there we go. This is like pretty annoying to watch, so I take that out. I am saving this because I think I can do some pretty cool things with this. Also because it have the light switch, so, oh, and here we go. But I kind of like this little thing, so I'm going to save this. So I'm going to save this because I could use this for something else. But my idea was that this looks quite like a lamp hanging from the ceiling, so a ceiling lamp. So I'm going to make this into a little lamp. So I'm going to put some glue on here to glue it on so I can get that crazy knot out of here. And I take this and cut off the nut here because I don't like that. So I'm just going to use a little flame here to close the ends. Be sure to blow out the fire again so you don't make anything bad. So I have this closed end here right now, and I'm going to take my glue and I'm going to plop quite some glue right here all the way around on the string, and I am going to slide it carefully into the lamp here and down into the bottom here of the thumb chuck, and I'm going to let it stay there until it dry. So I just cut the string and heated this part up as well, and all there's left is hanging it into the dollhouse, and there I have a really nice lampshade. So that is pretty easy from a thumb chuck into two lamps. You can also use the lamps like this with this little bulb. Happy crafting!